My name is Jean-François Lemay. I'm a Canadian architect working in London. I design architecture and furniture. Design means thinking before acting. By thinking in advance, we can avoid problems and improve the end result. In the case of furniture, I've found that with good design, it's possible to avoid fasteners altogether. We can have furniture without screws, nails, glue or welding, and there are no disadvantages. It is strong, stable and beautiful, and it can be made out of many materials like wood or aluminum. The process involves digital machines and hand finishing of the furniture pieces. The result is sustainable, simple, practical and beautiful to the eye as well as to the touch.